let's have a look at some of the harder types of inequalities where we've got a fraction involved. So for example, x over 7 minus 3 is less than 8. Now we're going to start by dealing with the minus 3, and we know we can get rid of a minus 3 by using the inverse, which is plus 3 to both sides. So my minus 3 and my plus 3 cancel out, and I'm left with x over 7 on the left and 11 on the right, and I just keep that inequality sign the same. Now I've nearly got x on its own, but I've got this over 7 there as well. Over 7 means divide by 7. So the inverse of divide by 7 is times by 7. So let's times both sides by 7. The divide by 7 and the times by 7 are inverses, so they cancel, and we have the x left on its own, and on the other side 11 times 7 is 77. So it looks more complicated because there's a fraction involved, but it isn't really. Okay, next question. X over 3 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 14. Let's start by dealing with the plus 7. And the inverse of adding 7 is taking away 7. So the plus 7 and the minus 7 cancel, and we have x over 3 is greater than or equal to 7. Now we need to get rid of the over 3. Remember, over 3 means divide by 3, so the inverse is times by 3. Remember to do it to both sides. So the times 3 and the divide by 3 cancel, and we end up with x is greater than or equal to 21. So just because there's a fraction in doesn't mean it's any scarier, it just means that we need to do the inverse of divide, which is to times. So I'm going to put 2 on the screen. I'd like you to give these a go, send me your work in, and then I'll tick you off as having done this inequalities work.